guys, welcome to my Barbie pool party. This is my actual official Barbie pool. Now it is missing, there's supposed to be a bar over here with a chandelier and two little cups, but I still have the water slide. Now, do you remember when we did the Chelsea DIY playground and I said that this would be a pretty cool water slide? Well, if you don't have a Barbie pool, it still works. So I just wanted to test it out. Look how great that is. So if you don't have one of these, it's okay. If you have the Dollar Tree slide, you can still make your own Barbie pool party. Now, what is a Barbie pool party without Barbie pool accessories? So you know, I went to Dollar Tree and look what I have. One, look at this. It's got flippers and snorkel equipment. This one actually reminds me of a skipper set from the movie where they took the puppies, I believe, to Hawaii. We have that skipper. I don't know where, or I would have brought you. The only difference is hers were yellow and she came with a camera. All in all, that is a pretty cool swimsuit. And I also have, this one reminds me so much of the Barbie movie, this one. Look at that cute little towel with the flamingos. It's got the little bag and little sandals. So let's get right into it. I have this Barbie. Now, obviously, she has her swimsuit painted on, but we can bring in our other Barbie. So here is one of my favorites with her Hello Kitty skirt. And I'm going to bring in, I told you I couldn't find Skipper, but I found Skipper's friend. Oh, I just cut off her head. Courtney. She is, if you compare them side by side, not that much taller than Barbie, or not much shorter. So she is really close, and her waist is about the same, slightly smaller. So because these are Dollar Tree outfits, you know, sometimes they run a little small. Let's just get right into it. I am going to move Chelsea from the pool because these outfits will not fit her. But again, look how cute this little pool is. Can you see the little stairs that go up? And this has also inspired me. If you don't have a Barbie pool, we are going to show you in upcoming video series. So make sure you are subscribed, how to make your own with that Dollar Tree slide, without the Dollar Tree slide. And I'm going to show multiple different versions because this was like a $10 or $20 pool now. I don't remember what it was. And I mean, it's just plastic. I did check out Dollar Tree because they used to have ones that were fairly deep like this. But when I went and got those outfits, they were honestly like a saucer. They were so flat. It looked like a little pond and they were only about this big. So if it's only going to be this big, we can do better. So make sure you're subscribed and you are following for those in the upcoming series. In the meantime, which one of these should we open first? I want the towel, so I'm going to open this one first, and let's just get right into it. I do not like how Dollar Tree stuff never, ever opens right for me. Let's go. Making a mess. I don't care today. Let's get right into it. There is the swimsuit, and I like this one because it's a little bit more of a modern swimsuit. It has the nice sleeves. So if you dress a little more modern, you could put like a skirt on this if you want your Barbie to match. This is actually not that bad. Quality-wise, this isn't bad. Okay. Oh, these I'm disappointed. It is a nice soft rubbery, but look at the back. It's hollow. I mean, I like the soft rubber. I'm just going to drop it in the pool. The snorkel set. I like this. It's also soft. Okay. I see you. I like the fact that it's blue to match the swimsuit. And the flippers. Now, I think these are going to need to be flat foot. Let's see. I'm just going to borrow your feet, Courtney. Because her feet will fit Barbie's shoes. Yeah, they're going to have to be, they're going to need to be on your flat-footed Barbie. I mean, oh, no. These you can actually put on your healed Barbie. I'm just going to shake them. Oh, that's amazing. So because these are soft, I mean, they will peel off, but because they are soft, these will fit on both types of Barbie feet. Okay, right off the bat, that is a win for me. Let's try on this Barbie swimsuit. I'm going to try it on the Courtney doll first because she is a tiny bit smaller. And this, I was impressed, but there's our typical, see it there? Dollar Tree stitching. All right, let's get her dressed. Oh, there's the tag. Okay, let's tuck the tag up. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's awkward to get her arms in because she has, I'm just going to pull it up a little bit. She has one straight and one bendy. It is actually a little awkward to get them in. Oh my goodness. So this will fit both Barbies. I can't get her arms in. So I am struggling right there to get these arms in. There we go. There we go. Oh, I like that. Okay. That is nice. Look at the fit. So it is actually really good. I like this fit on her. She's got the flat feet, so I'm going to try these. Nice. Oh my goodness, guys. All right, so instead of spending $20 or so on a skipper just for these, look at this. Oh my gosh. Can we get this on? Okay. I am so impressed right now. The quality, I am just trying to pull this through. The quality, because this stuff is a soft, flexy material. There it goes. Sorry, girl. It's a soft, flexible material. This is perfect. This is going to fit your Barbies of any head shape. I should have put this over her hair. Let's do this. Oh my goodness. How does this go? This way. It would go this way, right? Yeah, that's the top of the tank. I don't scuba dive. Or, yes, this would be scuba diving because it has the tank. Oh my gosh. I can't wait until the summer. I'm going to take these and use them in my actual pool. I think. That's a little snug. See that? It's not going to fit around her as well. Okay. So these ones are going to be a bit of a tighter fit because as I pull one, I'm pulling the other. Okay, display piece, but look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at my doll ready to swim. She is chilling. She is loving life. So far, these two outfits are successful. I mean, okay, I've only tried one outfit, but so far this is successful. I'm wondering now, okay, bear with me. I don't know if that's going to line up to her head, but could we put the scuba tank? Oh, the scuba tank is going to fit much better on Chelsea. So Chelsea, even though I said you weren't going to be part of this video, the scuba tank, look at that, fits so much better on your Chelsea doll. I'm just going to weave this through. Girl, you get to be part of the party. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The swimsuit won't fit, but the scuba tank does. Oh my goodness. You know what? May I borrow this from your head? Thank you. Let's try. Let's try. Oh, yes. It's a full family of Barbie stuff. Chelsea can scuba. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's it. Okay, I just pulled it off. Oh, I just pulled it off. This is perfect. Okay. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. Chelsea can scuba. You got your your Courtney or your Skipper. Let's try Barbie. Okay. Let's do the second one. Why? Why do they never open? There are going to be so many fun photo shoots outside. Wait until we build our own Barbie pool. Oh my gosh, we don't even have to go outside. Look at the towel. Ah, oh, I just threw the shoes. I just threw the shoes in an excitement to get the towel. Oh, the purse is, oh, it opens. Guys, you know how Dollar Tree purses never open? I am loving the silicone. I am so happy that they moved. Oh, it's a little piece of felt. But still, they moved away from hard plastic to silicone. Oh my gosh, you can just like shove the towel in. Okay, and Barbie will be ready to go. I am excited. Let's try on. So this one was the shoes, the purse, or the beach bag. Look at this swimsuit. Now, it's going to be a one-piecer. No Velcro. Can we get that on straight-armed Barbie? Well, I guess we're going to find out. Let's take her top off. Hey, Barbie. She says, I'll be right back. I'm going to get changed. Okay, let's get... Oh, I am throwing the swimsuit, guys. All right, let's do this. I'm going to turn her this way. Is there a front and a back? I don't think so. They both look the same. I hope there's not a front and a back. Okay, 1, 2. This is awkward. This is awkward. Guys. Okay. Oh! Just threw the swimsuit. There we go. Now, when we get to the arms, it is stretchy, so I give it that. And let's... Arms, okay. Then we're going to pull it up. Pull it up. There is... Okay, I see you, Barbie. That fits so well. And if you have the fashionistas with the different waist, this is super stretchy. This should fit all of your different Barbies. Wow, Dollar Tree. And here's her beach bag or her pool bag. Oh my goodness. Barbie is loving it. Look at the, oh, look what they have done to the shoes. It's not even a solid shoe. It dips in. Do you see that? How it dips in? But if you notice the curve, this might fit a heeled. Oh, it fits a heeled Barbie. Now, it doesn't fit as good as a flat foot Barbie, but Barbie is in. And here is her accessories. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love the new shoes. Dollar Tree. I am loving the new shoes. There she is. Barbie is ready for the pool party. I mean, obviously she's going to take her shoes off. But how great was this? 2 fashion packs. We got a snorkel outfit that fits a a Skipper doll. It fits a Barbie doll, and the accessories can be used with our Chelsea. What do you guys think? I love it. So now if you don't have a Barbie like this one with the swimsuit painted on, you can go and get affordable, stretchy Dollar Tree bathing suits or swimsuits, swimming costumes, depending on where you're from, for your dolls, as long as you have access to a Dollar Tree. So I'm in Canada. These are $1.50. In the United States, they would be $1.25. And I want to show you one quick thing before you go that I also found, before I go, that I found at Dollar Tree that you're going to see in an upcoming video. Because who seems to get neglected? It's always our Chelsea. Look what Dollar Tree has now. Can you believe it? There are Dollar Tree Chelsea outfits. There was a whole wall. I just got these 3 because I just knocked her over. I really wanted to do the swimsuit stuff so we could do the pool and the different fun things, the different craft things before we get into these. So these are upcoming. But thank you so much for watching. If you're on a budget, these are Dollar Tree outfits for a win. And I don't normally say that, but these ones are for a win. I can't wait to make a pool with you. And then let me know if you have these outfits, if you've seen them. Do you like the new soft silicone versus that hard plastic? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. Our channel is growing, and I am so very thankful for everyone who subscribes. That is it for today. Thank you so much, and I will see you all next week.